How to deposit money on Oanda. So there are many ways to deposit money on Oanda. You can use the credit card, debit card, BPay, online banking, and bank wire transfers. So how you can do those is just simply navigating or initiate your first deposit into your Oanda trading account. Simply log in to manage your funds using your Oanda account details, then accept the debit cards or MasterCards or any type of cards, and also debit card deposits are virtually instant. So if you need to use debit card, they accept debit cards backed by MasterCard and Visa. And for the credit card, they accept credit cards backed by MasterCard and Visa as well, and you may be charged for the transaction and international fees. And for the BPay, it can take up to 1 to 3 business days for the funds to reflect on your account. And for online banking, the funding made via online bank transfer is processed between 1 to 3 business days. And for the bank wire transfer, it also takes 1 to 3 business days for the funds to be deposited into your account, and up to 5 days for international bank transfers. But overall, that's how you can deposit money on Oanda.